Hi guys, just want to talk to you really quickly about how you can help hedgehogs in your garden. Now, the problem for hedgehogs is that they need to travel around about a mile a night to be able to get all the food and bits and pieces that they need. So for most of us, our gardens aren't nearly big enough for that. And as you can see here, these kind of new modern fences are basically an impenetrable barrier for a hedgehog. But all you need to do is have a chat to your neighbours and think about putting in a hedgehog highway. That is just 13 centimetres by 13 centimetres, so most pets won't be able to get out through that. It's a really, really small thing. You can do it in all different ways, shapes and forms, but by doing that, what you'll allow is access in and out of your garden for hedgehogs and indeed other creatures who are moving around. Let me just quickly show you the kind of one that I've made over there. So you can see I've just chopped the bottom off the fence and then dug it out a little bit to make sure that it fits about the right sort of size. So that's enabled access in and out of my garden. So as you can see guys, it's pretty simple what I did. It will really depend on you and your garden and what you've got on the sides. My plan actually is to increase and add a couple of extra ones, maybe a tunnel under a wall, maybe chopping an actual hole out of the fence over here. Obviously I've got to have a chat to my neighbours and agree those things first. But, you know, go out there, have a look in your garden and see what you can do. The more entry and exit points you can get, the more likely it is that you're going to have hedgehogs visiting and also supporting other wildlife in your area as well. Now do think about checking out Hedgehog Street website. That's got some information about this and you can see down below as well. And if you want to see more about joining our Community Nature Reserve project, then please also check out the Langdyke website. And if you've had any photos, then please pop them on the Langdyke Facebook page. All the descriptions, you know, links are in the description below, so check that out and have a look guys and enjoy gardening for nature.